Hello.
Alright,
Hello.
so
Yes.
let's start this.
Let's start this. Take.
This is our first time, Abhishek.
Yes. First time with Abhishek. First
Alright,
time with
alright.
Shafish. Okay. So hello everyone. So my name is Abhishek and I'm live from Pentagon's Instagram ID because either of us has to come up from their ID. This idea has come up because the Pentagon approached me quite 2 or 3 weeks ago that they're interested in the live session. So I was like, yeah, let's go about it. And then there was a slight update that I had to come up with somebody of the same genre. So there's only one person that came up to mind, and he's sharing the live with me now. So that's about it. So let's begin with a short introduction about ourselves. महाराष्ट्र दिनाच्या शुभेच्छा.
आज फर्स्ट में है ना?
हाँ.
हाँ, बराबर. Labor Day. Yes, Abhishek, introduction.
Yes. So my name is Abhishek. Instagram handle 12mp_me, and majorly clicking pictures on phone. That's all. I'm a student of engineering. I've completed 7 semesters. Hopefully, I'll complete 8 in the next coming months. And I'm an active sports. I love playing football, table tennis, and that's about it.
Alright, my introduction is very simple. I was a chef earlier. Worked in the industry for around like 7 years. Then I quit my job and then I started pursuing photography. Not yet a photographer, but still the journey is still going on.
Okay, so the second point that we have to discuss is what is a shooting device and what do you love the most about it?
Okay. Do you want
So
to start?
I'll start.
Okay, you start.
Yes. So my shooting device has always been my phone since the beginning. Like now that is the point that I'm not just shooting on my phone. There are various other devices that I've shifted to. I've used a camera, I've used a GoPro, but primarily my shooting device is my phone. Over the course of time, I have upgraded my phone with the brands that I'm associated with and quite a few accessories that I have added to the phone. I have a list of different things that are lying here that we might have come up with when there are question and answer session that will go on. So yeah, the most I love about shooting with phone is the compact gear that it is and the powerful camera that we are getting it with technology. That's it.
Alright. Any other cameras you tried? I remember you using I forgot the name of the DSLR in your Odisha trip. What was it?
Yeah, I have used a Canon 700D during my Odisha trip.
Yes.
And also Canon EOS R during my Kashmir trip. But that's all. Okay. That's only for the specific trips. That's
How
I
was the
have
experience?
used. The experience was always been kind of fumbling because not being in proper contact with the camera for a long period of time. Like I do not have a proper hands-on experience of the device. Like during Kashmir, I had the camera just 6 hours before I could leave for my trip.
Alright.
So not that I could never use it, but I have always tried to use it to the maximum I could always use.
Alright. So if I talk about using cameras, I've used GoPro, I've used phone cameras as well. Right now I'm using Oppo. Then I also have Sony, but Sony इतना ज़्यादा यूज करना नहीं होता क्योंकि GoPro से इतनी आदत हो गई है कि वो शिफ्ट करने को थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. Last year I remember I shot some videos using Sony, but the shift was good. I started learning many things in that, but गलती ये हुई कि I've stopped shooting again. I've come back to GoPro and maybe let's see after this I'll start using it again. Let's hope for the best.
So what do you love the most about GoPro?
GoPro, first of all, it is a very tiny camera. It's very compact, just like you said about your phone. Second thing, I can carry it anywhere. Like you don't need to actually, think about using it. Like, मतलब अगर just if I say talk about this Holi festival, you'll wrap your camera, then you have to take so
Yeah.
many precautions. But for GoPro, it's not like that. I just like charge my GoPro, take extra battery, and boom. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I've used a
it's a
GoPro.
very good camera, I would say. Like, मतलब अगर तुम्हारा यूजेज ही वैसा है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू डू द सेम. लाइक अगर रफ यूज है और सब, और डीएसएलआर और GoPro को कंपेयर करूंगा तो दोनों का हर एक का एक एक फायदा है. इट्स नॉट दैट GoPro इज द बेस्ट और डीएसएलआर अच्छा है. मतलब दोनों के अपने अपने फायदे हैं, अपने अपने फंडे हैं, तो मैं कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहूंगा. और सब लोग को अपने जवाब भी पता होंगे उसके बारे में.
Correct.
सो आई वोंट डिस्कस ऑन दैट. यस.
So, like, I remember that we've shot on GoPro on one project together.
Oh yes, real estate. Yeah.
Yeah, they said.
It was like fun. Like I remember we wrapped the whole shoot in 8 hours.
8 hours.
Yeah, and out of that 8 hours, we had to shoot the whole gully cricket sequence.
Gully cricket scene.
That was at Kanda Lelo's society where he stayed.
Society.
Over there.
Yeah.
And that was
So-
the first time when we met, right? I don't
When
know.
we met, yeah.
Okay.
After that only we started meeting at Marine Drive and all that stuff. But maybe that's the only point.
That was the first starting point, yeah.
No, the first time we met was actually at Sassoon Dogs when you had invited me for the.
Oh yes, the Insta meet. Yes.
Yeah.
During the
That's the first time when we met.
India project.
Start India.
Right? Yeah, Start
Yeah.
India. Yes. Perfect.
So the next segment is about Instagram and content. So what is Instagram to me and what is the whole idea of content?
Are we going too fast? I don't know because
This is like 14 minutes into the live.
okay, all right.
Halfway
Let's
through.
continue.
So Instagram for me has been like one of the places that I've put a lot of thoughts, got feedback, improved myself as a person. Like there was a time when I could never speak in English properly, but now I have conducted workshops across various colleges. I'm here speaking on live with you. Plus I have a lot of pictures that I can paste upon myself. So that is how Instagram has performed for me. When it comes to content, there is quite a personal approach to that answer because हर एक का अपना अपना स्टाइल होता है. That is what I have discovered. हर एक का अपना अपना choice होता है. Please take my name, okay, Trishita?
Okay, let's not look at the comments because it might distract us.
So content for me is basically whatever suits best for Instagram. Like I have, over the course of time, like I've been on Instagram for the past 3 years. The only lesson that I have learned is you shoot for Instagram differently and you shoot content or worthy content differently. Like now I have realized that I have to shoot something that does not go on Instagram as well. So that is some of the things that has gone on my website as well. So this is what Instagram stands for me and content stands for me.
Alright, do you want me to answer that? Okay. So, Instagram was just a photo sharing app for me. I never took it so seriously.
Yeah.
I remember uploading selfies from kitchen and everything when I started that account. But when I came back, there was such a great community in Mumbai. Like there used to be photo walks by Mumbai Tigers and everyone. And that is how I came across many Instagrammers. And what I would say today is 2020, right? And I started my account in 2013. Half of the credit goes to the community, because of them I have come up such a long way, and they have helped me a lot. And also, I won't be able to thank them enough. हमेशा मैं credits लेते रहता हूँ. सारे लोग का नाम नहीं ले सकता. So it's better if I use community name only.
Community
so big hats off to them. Yes.
So it is obviously about community because whatever I am on this profile, apart from the pictures that I have posted, the interaction that I have gone with people, met them, got to learn, although we meet them or we do not meet them, there is a lot that we can learn from their profile, that whatever they put out on the profile, like the captions, the comments they reply to, whatever tips and tricks they put on their stories or the way they shoot something, there is everything that we can learn, and that is how I have tried to trace how people do their certain kind of work that they do.
Rajiv, yes, you are part of the community. Everyone is part of the community.
Everyone is part of the community, yes.
Okay, over to the next question, Abhishek.
Next question is all about how do you tackle the fixed focal length and what are the pros and cons when using a GoPro?
Okay.
Fixed focal length is basically like phone camera is supposed to be 24 millimeters. Like in a DSLR, we can move between 18 and 55 to 50 basic lens, kit lens that we get. But shooting on a phone is basically all about 24 mm. Is the okay. 24 mm is the only available focal length. So shooting on phone has got me a very great habit that I can approach a scene on a various scale. Like if I have to go close, it is not that I can zoom in and go, because that is me compensating on the quality of the picture that I will have. So that is the habit that I have put on with. Like if I have to go get a close-up shot, it is me walking to the scene and then getting a shot, or maybe getting to know something that is in there and not just zooming in there. Maybe zooming in is not a wrong thing, but that is something that I cannot always do on my phone. So that is fixed focal length for me on phone.
If I talk about GoPro, definitely it has fisheye lens. And if people who don't like fisheye lens, there's another mode called linear mode, you know.
Yeah.
So not everyone gets used to it so easily shooting on wide angle, because it's like really wide, sorry.
Yeah.
But the more you use it, that more you'll get used to it shooting on wide. कि मतलब मैं जब यूज करता था, I remember, मुझे पहले समझ में नहीं आता था how do I go ahead, like कि उसका infinite lens ऐसा है कि ज्यादा भी तुम पास में नहीं जा सकते और ज्यादा भी दूर. So there is certain, you know, like framing करते दिमाग में रखना पड़ता. तो कंटिन्यूसली यूज करके आदत हो गई, और अभी हाँ थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा आ जाता है काम. बट अभी भी people ask me questions, like I won't consider them like मैं बोर नहीं होता उन सवालों से, क्योंकि वो सवाल उन लोग के लिए उन लोग के लिए मतलब
it is obvious that they'll ask questions.
हाँ. So yesterday I remember someone asked me like मेरे फोटोज आपके फोटोज की तरह नहीं आते, तो I told him like to share his pictures. तो उसने मेरे फोटोज शेयर किए 2-3. उसने बालकनी से फोटोज लिए थे, फिर बिल्डिंग के नीचे से फोटोज लिए थे, और ऐसे फोटोज थे. तो मैंने उसको पूछा तेरे और फोटोज में मेरे क्या डिफरेंस है, मतलब आपके फोटोज अच्छे हैं, मेरे फोटोज अच्छे नहीं है. तो मैंने बोला नहीं, तेरा जो सराउंडिंग है, तो जहाँ पे है खड़ा, वो डिफरेंस है. लेकिन घर के बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा, घर के बैठ के भी अच्छे फोटो आना नहीं. सो इट्स ऑल इन योर हेड कि लाइक इसके फोटो अच्छे हैं, मेरे फोटो अच्छे हैं, यू हैव टू स्टेप आउट और डू समथिंग. यू कैन डू सो मेनी थिंग्स इंडोर्स आल्सो. लाइक आफ्टर दिस लॉकडाउन, मतलब दिमाग का डैश होता है. बट इंडोर्स बैठे बैठे मेरे को इतने अच्छे आइडियाज आ रहे हैं, और मैं आई मेक श्योर दैट एवरी वीक आई वुड ट्राई टू शूट one video which will keep me busy, or some other way it will be little better than the previous one. So yes.
So I would like to like give away certain tips that we can use to click better pictures on phone.
Sure.
So initially when I used to shoot with phone, I remember the time I used to struggle with the sun the most. कि एक बार sun shoot किया तो इतना white हो जाता था कि उसका कुछ कर नहीं सकते थे. So then over the course of time I learn how the sun works, how the shadows are casted. फिर the idea that hiding the sun behind an element, or like behind a tree or a building, or how to use light is what makes the difference when you create pictures on phone. Apart from that, maintaining your saturation levels and all the other factors like वो कितना dehaze करते हो, कितना smoothen करते हो, कितना sharpness रखते हो, कितना shadows open करते हो, that is all comes in the later part. But handling the initial source of light is what I prefer, makes the most out of the phone or any device that we can shoot on.
Abhishek, I have noticed one thing about your phone photos, okay? Like, पता नहीं तू edit ज़्यादा करता है कि नहीं, but ऐसा लगता है like you straight away like upload them from your phone only. मतलब what I have noticed is like you just color correct and the saturation thing, contrast, you open little bit shadows, and I don't know, I don't want to get into much technical things, but हाँ आपकी phone editing photos मतलब मेरे को बहुत पसंद है.
See, there is a lot of limitation that comes in when you shoot on phone. Like you do not get the maximum possible quality that you can fluctuate those editing bars, nor do you get the feasibility to zoom in much. तो मेरा जितना भी edit रहता है, it is basically make the colors as true as possible, not sliding in the hues to a very large extent. जितना true to the eyes and the brain लगे उतना मेरा saturation रहता है. And make it a point, and I make it a point कि when it is going to be the first visual of that image, मतलब a visionary perspective जब आता है, so what is the first thing that I want to get the eye on? The eye-catching element of the picture. That is how I try to direct my photos. Like sometimes I darken some parts of the photo or maybe open up shadows or not. That is how I try to implement a photo. I still remember the time, there was a time जब मैंने first time chef को follow किया था. He had posted his photo from California while he's sitting down and there's a car trail behind you in California.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
So मैंने वो photo देख के first time phone पे light trails capture करने को try किया था. That time I had a Samsung, तो उसमें manual mode था.
हाँ.
So I had sent you 4 different photos, but none of them were even complimentary. Yeah, detective. So, but then again, उसके बाद बहुत सारा YouTube देखा and बहुत सारा photos click किया गलत. उसके बाद here we are. So that is how my editing process is. I am yet to learn what the histogram does to a photo or what it tells about a photo, but I have surely learned how to process an image, although it was a subject of engineering, image processing for me in the last semester.
If I talk about editing, I am really bad at it, trust me. Like, I don't know what colors are. मतलब मैं अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ struggle. Like, एक फोटो एडिट करके होता ना, मैं 10-25 लोगों को भेज देता हूँ और मैं मेरा दिमाग और खराब कर देता हूँ सब लोग के रिव्यूज सुन के. बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट ऑनलाइन, थोड़ा सीख रहा हूँ धीरे धीरे थोड़ा कलर्स का नॉलेज मिल रहा है और एडिटिंग के बारे में सीख रहा हूँ. पता नहीं कब टाइम लगेगा बट हो जाएगा एक ना एक दिन. आई एम वेरी श्योर अबाउट.
So that's the only thing कि once we edit the photo, it is like हाँ ये अच्छा edit लग रहा है and we should post it instantaneously. We should always give the time frame to that edit कि हाँ ये अभी एक 10 मिनट बाद देखूँ तो मेरे को same अच्छा लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा. That is what I have recently been doing कि edit करने के बाद मैं 5-6 दिन छोड़ देता हूँ कि अब बाद में देखूंगा इसको कितना अच्छा लगता है ये edit.
It is, I get very confused man. Like मैं आजकल तेरे को भी भेज रहा हूँ, मैं नुपुर को भेज रहा हूँ, साकिब को भेज रहा हूँ, त्रिशिता को भेजता हूँ, फिर मैं मेरी बहन को भी कभी कभी भेजता हूँ. उसके तो रिप्लाईज एकदम ब्लंट रहते हैं, मतलब शी लाइक बहुत दिमाग का डैश करती हो. बट हाँ अभी थोड़ा बहुत ओपिनियन मिलता है तो मतलब करेक्शन करता हूँ और उस हिसाब से मैं अपलोड कर देता हूँ फोटोज.
And the trendy thing being that कि अभी इतना moody tones and moody edits and everyone is coming up with so many things, but I find it very interesting कि some of the accounts that do not have that much of traction and numbers, like barely, I wouldn't count the total number of followers, but in hundreds they have. But the colors that they put up on their profile, like photos बहुत ज़्यादा random हो गए, maybe some pot hanging out on the wall or some tree lying here and there. There's some different kind of colors that they put up, and I make it a point कि मैं उनको जाके follow करूँ एक बार कि that is something that I'm getting out of that profile. कि I get to see the colors in some other way that I cannot see in some of the other profile that I follow. So this is one thing that I do.
Okay, wait. Before we finish, एक मिनट, जो comments आ रहे हैं, राजीव, everyone, like हम लोग last 5 to 10 minutes हम लोग Q&A करेंगे मतलब. तो
yes. So I guess it is the last 5 minutes. Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Is it like let me see.
Apply कर सकते हैं हम लोग. You pick up any questions, साकेत नहीं, sorry, अभिषेक. और साकेत का कमेंट पढ़ के मैंने उसका नाम.
साकेत का कमेंट आया है यार. So yeah, let me just scroll through the.
Raji, you can shoot a question if you want.
Yeah. सर GoPro वीडियोस एडिट करने के लिए कौन सा फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर यूज कर सकते हैं?
GoPro एडिट करने के लिए फोटोज, राइट?
या
हाँ, सो आई यूज Snapseed, Lightroom, VSCO, तीनों यूज करता हूँ.
GoPro वीडियोस
videos. Okay, so
Yeah.
on the go videos edit करना है तो Quick App है, which is there on phone and desktop as well. And if you want to really give your effort, like properly अच्छे से edit करना है तो I would recommend Adobe Premiere Pro.
Ah.
Yeah.
So, like chef, we have another 5 to 10 minutes to go about the question and answer session.
All right.
Extension मिल गया.
राजीव, I'll answer your question अच्छे से, मतलब फोन पे बात करके, क्योंकि वो बहुत डिटेल में जाना पड़ेगा इसके लिए. Okay, anything else? Did we miss out on anything?
नहीं.
So, are you checking the comments? Okay.
Yeah, I am checking the comments. Thank you.
But till then, meanwhile we can talk also. It's not like कि मतलब
हाँ.
comments देखना जरूरी है.
So let's
So
talk about what is the.
one more thing.
हाँ,
One more
बोल.
thing. लॉकडाउन ने क्या सिखाया तेरे को? मतलब मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया, तुझे क्या सिखाया? थोड़ा.
लॉकडाउन ने.
हाँ, एक तो चीज सीखी रहेगी.
So I was a kind of guy कि मैं I'll tell you the real situation. Like I'm the kind of guy कि मैंने 3 घंटे का एग्जाम कभी पूरा नहीं दिया.
Okay.
हमेशा 2 घंटे में देके गायब, या फिर 1 घंटे का एग्जाम रहेगा, half an hour 45 minutes में गायब. But lockdown has got me so calm that I can sit at a place for more than 5 hours now.
Wow.
Without
Nice.
gaining weight.
Saket, can you repeat your question? I did not see your question. मैंने देखा नहीं comments.
I'm seeing it.
Okay.
So your turn. What has quarantine done to you?
Me, मैं टाइम पे सोने लगा हूँ. Like
Yes.
I used to sleep like around 5-6 a.m. in the morning and wake up by around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. But from past like 16 days, I've been sleeping by 12 a.m. and waking up by 6 a.m. So I thinking 6 hours of sleep is enough, and that is
Correct.
how right now मेरा mood भी अच्छा रहता है काफी, क्योंकि मेरे को नींद अच्छी मिलती है. I'm not frustrated like earlier. Short tempered नहीं हूँ मैं पहले तरह. और काम भी अच्छे से होता है. मेरे को आलसी भी थोड़ा कम लगता है. जो अगर मैं टाइम पे सोता हूँ, टाइम पे खाता हूँ, टाइम पे उठता हूँ ना, उसको भी इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं, राजीव बोलते हैं कोई कोई वर्ड. हाँ, वैसे कुछ मतलब एकदम ताता ताता लगता है, मतलब ऐसा, मतलब फ्रेश.
Refreshed. So we have a question here. What about fisheye lenses and what is the difference between fisheye and wide angle lens?
क्या बोला तूने? मेरे को सुना नहीं.
What is the difference between fisheye and wide angle lens? So I'll show you.
बट वाइड एंगल और फिश, वाइड एंगल अगर बोलना रहेगा तो ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू फिश ही है. मतलब मेरे को पता नहीं उसका जवाब कैसे.
नहीं, there's a difference. See, I have a phone that shoots
क्योंकि
on
मैं जो
24
वाइड
mm.
एंगल यूज कर रहा हूँ 24/7, उसको वाइड एंगल भी नहीं बोलूंगा. बराबर. तो मोमेंट की बात कर रहा है क्या?
नहीं, any lens.
ओके.
So fisheye is
जवाब
basically.
नहीं दे पाऊंगा मतलब. बट मैं फिश लेंस के बारे में बात कर सकता हूँ, मैं वाइड एंगल के बारे में बात नहीं करता.
हाँ. नहीं, then explain fisheye.
No, you start, then I'll start.
See, basically fisheye is this 14 mm lens that I have. It is the same field of view as the GoPro.
Mm-hmm.
This is a fisheye lens. It is 14 mm and the normal phone screen is 24 mm. As per my knowledge, that is 24 mm and fisheye lens shifts it to 14 mm. That is a huge lot of difference between two of the focal lengths. And wide is 18 mm lens. So like this is the wide lens that I have.
Okay.
So wide is 18 for me because 18 is wider than 24.
Mm-hmm.
I hope that makes sense.
नहीं, मेरे सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है, सही में टेक्निकल ज्यादा जा रहा है.
Okay, so you explain what is fisheye.
देख, मैं सही बताऊँ तो मुझे प्रॉपर नॉलेज नहीं है इसके बारे में. मैं लाइव वीडियो पे बोल रहा था. In terms of talking about fisheye lens, मतलब मैं उसको तभी सीखा जब GoPro को पता, मतलब मेरे को पता चला कि GoPro में fisheye lens ही है. मतलब अगर बात करूँ तो अभी जब तूने वाइड एंगल लेंस के बारे में बात किया तो what strike me like the last time which I used was 10 mm वाला 10 निकॉन पे यूज किया था मैंने. तो that was the last time. और उसके ऊपर मैंने इतना टेक्निकली नहीं मतलब सोचा नहीं कि मतलब उसमें जो अभी तूने टेक्निकल बातें की, मतलब ऐसा कुछ. तो मैं उसका जवाब नहीं दे पाऊंगा.
नहीं, it's okay. There's no wrong in admitting what you don't know. This is for Abhishek. Other than grid, how can I align my frame? And can you please give some more suggestion about clicking the sun? So the idea of shooting with the sun is I basically shoot around early morning or during sunset time. That is the two different time zones that I prefer shooting. Apart from that, when I have to shoot in the harsh sun, there is no point of pointing the camera to the sun. That is the basic approach that I have. And apart from that, the idea that I told you, like hiding the sun behind any subject or an element that is in front of you. That these are the three things that I consider moving around with sun and shooting with the sun.
All right.
And aligning your frame, like I do my color correction, everything on Lightroom mobile application, and my framing goes in when I do it on Snapseed. Because Snapseed has a tool that has perspective. It has free perspective where I can pull and push all the four corners of the frame. That is how I can straighten any given image or crop and everything that goes on in Snapseed. So one tip for Snapseed is whenever you see a picture in your gallery and you want to open it in your Snapseed application, always open the Snapseed first. You'll see a plus sign in a circle. And you import the photo into the Snapseed and not directly share it from your gallery. This will help you retain
मालूम है
more.
तूने last में बताया था इसके बारे में.
This will give you more details.
Okay. Saket has a question about the color difference thing. I remember. Saket, I remember we discussed about the same point many times. Like, मैं अगर कोई एक फोटो एडिट करता हूँ मेरे लैपटॉप पे और मैं उसको हर एक फोन पे देखता हूँ, मतलब तो उसका एडिटिंग अलग ही दिखता है. अगर मैं मेरे फोन पे दिखता है, like doing the same thing. Like if you edit one picture and share it with different people, they'll give you different reviews about that photo. So साकेत, मैंने तो सवाल तेरे को पूछा था तो मेरे को ही वो पूछ रहा है वापस.
Yeah, Rishita has answered it that you cannot find any standard platform for it, because when I try to edit picture on my laptop and import it to my phone, there is no match between what colors I see and what colors I get. So that's the thing that I have eliminated the habit of editing or trying to edit anything on my laptop. All the photos that I edit are on my phone, because that is something that is going on some platform that is usually viewed by the people on their phones. And calibrating it for website, etc. Like I have shared the photos with a couple of other friends who have helped me कि इसका इतना saturation अच्छा है, इसका इतना exposure ज़्यादा कम है. So that is how I coordinate with the photos and difference in color scheme.
All right. Okay. मैं भी try करूँगा. देख, मेरे लिए what matters like मेरे जो दिमाग में है ना, मेरे को उसको निकालना है वीडियोस में या फिर फोटोज में और उसको एक साथ लाना है और शेयर करना है, बस. सिंपल, सीधा बोल रहा हूँ. ओके. और कोई क्वेश्चंस है क्या?
Any more questions?
How much time we have? We have 5 minutes.
Consider 2 minutes. Any
Okay,
tips
Raju.
for low light photography?
किसके ऊपर लेके बोला है? फोन के ऊपर बोला है, GoPro के ऊपर बोला है?
Both we should consider.
Okay, you start with phone. I'll start with GoPro then.
So considering with low light photography on phone, so now so we have night sight or night mode on every other phone that we can buy. That should be the only thing that we should prefer when shooting in the night scenes. Apart from that, if you want to move ahead with night photography, apart from the night mode, there's manual mode on some other devices that I know. Not on the one that I have, but some other devices, like every other device has a manual mode now, but you cannot touch the aperture there. Like the aperture is always fixed, or when you fix the shutter, you can adjust the aperture. Like there's a combination that goes. So if you know the manual mode, then you will be having a better knowledge about how to shoot during night time, because it takes a lot of shutter time, and that is something that phone cannot handle.
Okay. If I talk about low light on GoPro, it has this feature called night mode. So usually I suggest auto night mode for beginners. मतलब जिन लोग को ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना है settings में और उनको exposure change करना है, EV compensation या फिर shutter change करना है, so they have made it more easier by keeping it auto. So that is how I started using it. I used to keep auto mode. राजीव तेरे Hero 5 में रहेगा देख auto mode भी. और हाँ, अगर तुझे और experiment करना है, you can play around with the कभी कभी 2 सेकंड रखता हूँ, 5 सेकंड रखता हूँ. अगर मैंने लास्ट टाइम जो गुजरात में स्टार्स का फोटो लिया था, आई केप्ट इट अप 30 सेकंड्स. हाँ. और व्हाट मैटर्स मोस्ट इज लाइक यू नीड टू हैव कपल ऑफ ट्राइपॉड्स एंड एवरीथिंग, यू नो, टू माउंट योर
Yeah.
कैमरा इन such a way that you get the perfect angle. It is difficult sometimes, but you need to do some जुगाड़ and get your shot right. So if at all किसी को questions है settings के related, they can DM me. हर एक shot के लिए अलग मैंने
Yes.
use किया.
Available on DMs always.
Yes.
Selectively.
All right. Anything else? Like last 1 minute.
30
Did you
seconds
get
is
the
the
message?
best for.
Okay. Yes, absolutely. अगर
Yes.
पिच दाग रहेगा ना, मेरे को याद है लद्दाख में मैंने यूज किया था 30 सेकंड और गुजरात में यूज किया था और मेरे को काफी अच्छा रिजल्ट आया था. त्रिशिता ने भी तो अभी शेयर किया था थोड़े दिन पहले निकाली उसका GoPro इंडिया पे फीचर हुआ था फोटो स्टार हुआ. हाँ.
So yes, that's about it. हो गया, time
Yes.
up.
I'm sorry, it was little bit quick. मतलब कुछ ज्यादा ही हमने फटाफट
हाँ,
wind up किया.
fast कर दिया,
Time
but
limit था.
that is how
हाँ,
we had
time
to
था.
compact it.
What we can do, Abhishek, is we can do this again, you know, properly.
Yes.
अपने पेज पे बैठ के मतलब
After
अच्छे से
quarantine.
बात करें.
Yes.
उसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं हार्ट टू हार्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन.
दिल की बात.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
I'm leaving then.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. See you guys.
Bye.
Thank you for joining us. Peace out.